Hello everybody, good morning. Ready for the day? Lovely, beautiful smiles on my screen. Good morning everybody, Priyanka, Varsha. So nice to see you all. So bachas, just get ready because today we are going to have super duper fun with super duper Komal ma'am, okay? So grab your drawing materials. Today we are going to learn something new. Okay, Sandy, ready for the day? Yes. Good morning, everybody. Somaya and Saishta. Good morning, bacha. So nice to see you all. I hope I am clearly audible and visible to you all. If yes, show me your thumbs up. Thank you. Love you, bachas. Love you. So now, come on, everybody. Just grab your drawing materials. That is drawing sheet, brush pens or sketch pens and crayons and pencil and eraser. Okay? So for today's class, children, it's a calligraphy class. So we are going to learn something new and someone is going to come in our class also. So come on everybody, just get ready with all your materials, okay? Yeah, bacha, Priyanka, that's perfect. We are going to use this drawing sheet, okay? Super. So children, we are going to wait for our friends to join and then we will begin the class, okay? Fantastic. Come on. Just get ready, bacha. Everybody, good morning, Arvi. So nice to see you. Yes. So today is a special class and in this class, we are going to learn calligraphy. We are going to learn to write something exciting. Wow, awesome, isn't it? So come on, get ready. We will wait for our friends to join and then we will begin, okay? Good morning, Firdaus. Good morning, Pratham. Good morning, all my bachas. So come on, everybody. Let's get started. So hello, everyone. Welcome to Blue Flamingo Kids Presents Amazing Learning Marathon. So I am Komal ma'am over here and I am eagerly waiting to start amazing session with you all. So are you excited? Everybody, are you excited? No? No? Yes, because Komal ma'am is super excited. So come on, bachas. I want the energy within you, okay? We are not going to scout like this. We are not going to band like this. No Buddha, Dadi and Dadus in my class. Come on, everybody, sit smartly. Come on, show it to me how to sit smartly. No Buddha, Dadu and Dadis in our class, okay? Sit smartly, everybody. Yay! Fantastic! And now everybody, let's get started with some energy within us. So come on. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, come with me. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, come with me. Come on, shake, 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 shake. Come on, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it slow, very slow. Slow, slow, very slow. Shake it fast. Super fast. Come on, fast, fast, faster. Yay! And give me a high five in the air. Awesome, my sweetos. So today is a calligraphy class, children. And in today's class, somebody is going to come. La 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 la. Hello everybody. How are you all doing? Say hi. Hi. So children, in today's class, we are going to learn Mickey Mouse calligraphy. Oh, so Mickey Mouse is going to come. Do you all love Mickey Mouse? Yes or no? Children, do you all love Mickey Mouse? That's fantastic. So, bachas, in today's class, we are going to learn Mickey Mouse calligraphy. Okay, so along with Komal ma'am, we are going to draw something beautiful. Are you all going to do it along with me? Pakka chakka. Pakka. Wow, fantastic. So children, I'm going to shift the camera towards the workstation. So come on everybody, just get ready with all your drawing materials. Okay, Sweetus? I'll just shift the camera towards the workstation. Okay? Just give me a moment. Children, if you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me in the chat box. I'm going to reply to your doubts. Okay? Don't get confused. So come on, I'll shift my camera towards the workstation. Okay, bachas? Come on. Take a drawing sheet, everybody. Just a moment, okay? Yes. Komal ma'am is just starting her camera. What's wrong? Just give me a moment. Come on. So take a white sheet, everybody, and keep it in a sleeping position. This is a sleeping position, right? So keep your drawing sheet in a sleeping position. Yes. Done, everybody? Have you all kept your paper in a sleeping position? Yes. Now remember, children, Komal ma'am is going to draw with a sketch pen. How am I going to draw? With a sketch pen. But I want my children to draw it with a pencil. Okay? You all are going to draw it with a pencil. Come on. Priyanka, Arvi, Mayukha, Nisarg, Arvi, Firdos. I want everybody to keep their paper in a sleeping position. Very good, my bachas. Lovely. I'm so happy today that you all have joined the class and you all are doing so nicely. So children, keep it in a sleeping position, and over here we are going to draw Mickey Mouse. Okay. Along with Komal ma'am, are you going to do it? Wow, lovely. So now just make a circle in between. Come on. Make an oval shape in between. This is a nosy, cute little nosy. Sandhi, show me your nosy, bacha. Where's your nosy? Okay, Pratham is going to show us. Pratham, show me your nosy. Where's your nosy? Yeah. So we are going to draw cute little nosy of a Mickey Mouse. Okay? Fantastic, everybody. Lovely. I'm really happy today. Wonderful, Nisarg. Wonderful, bacha. Now on that nosy, just make one curve like this. Come on. A cute little curve above the nosy we are going to make. Yes, Tanshin. Wonderful, bacha. I really like your dress, Tanshina. You are looking really very cute in that orange dress. Beautiful. Marian is also looking really very cute today. Yes, my Firdos. You are still having your breakfast? Come on, buck up, bacha. I saw you. Come on, quickly have your breakfast, keep it aside and start up with your work, okay? Yes, lovely. So once the curve is done, we will make oval shape, okay? So come on, make one curve like this. Make another curve like this. These are the cute little eyes. Okay? Come on. Okay, so who is going to show me her eyes? Priyanka, can you show me your eyes? Where's your eye? Yay! Lovely. Very cute. So these are the eyes of a Mickey Mouse. Okay? Very good. Now children, what are we going to do is, we are just going to make one curve. Okay? In between these two eyes, Go up, come down like this and make a curve. Come on. Children, we are going to make a curve from here. Make one curve, come down. From here, make another curve and get down. Wow, fantastic everybody. You all are obeying me. You all are listening to the instructions. Very good, Soumya. Wonderful, bacha. Very good, Priyanka. I loved it. Awesome, awesome. And children, it's a humble request. Please keep your cameras on. Komal ma'am will get back to you. Very good, Mohammed. Lovely, Mohammed Ayan. Good job, bacha. So children, now what are we going to do? We are going to make cute little chicks. Come on everybody, pull your chicks. Show me your chick. Where are your chicks? Pull your chicks na. Yeah, cute little children, cute little chicks. So children, we are going to make chubby chicks of this Mickey Mouse. So come on, go up and come down. Go up and come down. So on both the sides, we will make chubby chicks. Understood? Come on. Very good. My children have chubby chicks, so Mickey Mouse is also going to have cute little chicks. Very good, Nisarga Rishi. Wonderful, becha. Firdaus, come on. We are not going to be stubborn. Where's your book? I'm watching you, huh, Firdaus? फिर कोमल मैम है ना sad हो जाएंगे. If you will not make, Komal ma'am will become sad. Oh wow, we are doing wonderful. Komal ma'am sad ho jaye. Thumbs up ya thumbs down. If you will not do, then Komal ma'am sad ho jayenge. So I want everybody to do it, okay? Thank you, Arvi. Wonderful, becha. So now we are going to make a cute little smile. So come on everybody, smile please. दिखाओ मैम को कहाँ है smile. Wow, Firdaus is smiling. Tanshin is smiling. Mehrin, why are you not smiling? Yeah, beautiful, beautiful smiles. So now children, we are going to make cute little smile of this Mickey Mouse. So come on, make one curve here. Make one curve here. And join it with a curve. See, a big, big smiley of this Mickey Mouse. Come on, make a smiley. Very good, bacha. Very good. Awesome. I'm really proud of you all. You all are doing fantastic job. Keep it up. Come on, let's make a smiley. Very good. So once the smiley is done, we will make a small curve for the tongue. Make a small curve for the tongue. Mickey Mouse is showing us his tongue. Show me your tongue, everybody. How many tongues do you have? How many tongues do you have? You can write it in the check box. Sandhi, one tongue? Okay. So we have drawn one tongue over here. Cute little tongue we are going to make. Very good, Tanshin. Lovely. One tongue. Yes. True, children. You all are correct. Wonderful. So done. Shall we move ahead? Mohammed Ayan, shall we move ahead? If you all are done, you can show me your thumbs up. Done, Bachu? Okay, come on. Now children, over here on the top, just make one curve. Come on. Now who is going to tell me that with the help of which body part we can hear something? Firdaus, हमें सुनाई कैसे देता है? Which body organ help us to hear something? Yes, ears. So we are also going to make ears of this Mickey Mouse. We have 3 ears, right, Priyanka? कोमल मैम के पास 3 ईयर्स है, आपके पास कितने हैं? 2. Oh, yeah, we all have 2 ears. You all are correct, children. So come on now, what are we going to do? We are just going to make 2 ears. Come on. Just make one curve. Come down. Over here also. Just make a turn. And come down. Let's make 2 ears. Come on. Very good. Wonderful. Done, everybody? We are going to make 2 ears. Fantastic. And we will join it with a curve. Come on. One curve. Another curve. Join it with a curve. Very good, bacha. Wonderful job. Just join it with a curve. So our Mickey Mouse is almost ready. So children, now you can take a black sketch pen and trace the Mickey Mouse with a black sketch pen. Come on. I am going to erase it with an eraser. Trace the drawing with a black sketch pen. Come on, everybody. Trace it nicely. I want you all to trace it nicely, okay? And inside this, we can just make circles with the black sketch pen, okay? Come on, let's do this. Wonderful. So children, what we have done is we have just traced the Mickey Mouse face. I want you all to trace it nicely. Come on, trace it nicely. With the help of a black sketch pen, trace it nicely. Done? Trace the whole picture. Do not color it right now, okay? Komal ma'am is asking you to trace the picture, not to color the picture. We are going to write something. We are going to write the message. We are going to write a quote. Okay, we are going to learn a calligraphy also. But right now, just draw a Mickey Mouse. Done, everybody? Well done. Very good. Now, what are we going to do is take a brush pen or take a sketch pen and color the Mickey Mouse. Come on. The outer portion, I am going to color it with the black color. Everybody color it nicely. Color it nicely. The outer portion, we are going to make it black in color. And children, make sure that you don't leave any white space. Okay? Just make sure that you color it nicely. Come on, everybody, color it nicely. Make sure you color it nicely, okay? No white space should be seen. The ears and everything, color it with black color. Okay? Like this. Come on. I hope it is visible to you all and my all children are following me. Children, if you have any doubts, please write it in the chat box. Do not get confused. Okay, Sweetus? Lovely. I know you all are really very small to do a calligraphy, but yeah, Komal ma'am is going to do it in a very easy way. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Come on, Sweetu. I hope you all have done. Shall we move ahead? Okay, fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color the Mickey Mouse with a red color. Come on. Color the Mickey Mouse with red color. Okay? Color it nicely. Everywhere we are going to color it with red color. Leave the mouth and just color it nicely. Okay? Come on. Color it nicely. The whole Mickey Mouse face, I'm going to color it with red color. Got it? And my Mickey Mouse is ready. You can color the tongue with pink color, with cream color, any color, whatever you wish. Okay? I'm going to color the eyes also like this. And it's done. So the Mickey Mouse is done, bachas. Okay? Take your time and do it nicely. Done, Munthana, Ved, Spruha. Are you all doing, bacha? Alphas. I want everybody to do it, huh? Wonderful, bacha, wonderful. I hope it is done, and shall we move ahead now? Now, children, what are we going to do, you know? We are going to write a message or a quote over here, okay? What are we going to write, you know? Smile, please. So, come on. For that, you can just write S. Everybody, you know how to write S? Come on. Make a turn. Come down. Go back. Up. Like this. Come on, write S. Write a letter S. Okay? Write it with a pencil first of all, so that if you make any mistake, you can erase it with an eraser. Got it? Come on. Write it with a pencil. Very good. Now, leave a little distance. Again, write the same letter. See. Again, write the same letter like this. We have to double it. Make a sleeping line and again write a letter S like this. Got it? Understood, children? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? We have to just make a sleeping line and we will make a letter S like this. Okay? Very good. Wonderful, children. Then we will leave a little distance and we will write standing line, slant line and standing line. Okay? Again make a sleeping stroke. Again write letter M. So this is, we are writing it in a double form. This is a dual font which we are learning, children. We will make it little bold. Okay? Very good, bachas. Very good. If you have any doubts, please ask me, okay? Don't get confused. Done? Now what are we going to do? Over here, we are going to write I. Make a sleeping line, 2 standing line, 2 sleeping line. Again make 2 standing line, sleeping line and a rectangle. This is a letter I. Okay? Come on. Everybody make a letter I. Very good. Wonderful. Adya, you are doing, Srichu. Let's do it nicely. Okay, Alphaz, you want to ask something? I'll get back to you. Just a moment. Okay, bacha? Come on, I have unmuted you. So please ask. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask. Come on. Okay, I'll show it again. Just a moment. Okay, bacha? Give me a time. Oh, I hope it is visible to you. Svichu, see, ma'am has written letter I. I'll show it again. How to write letter I. So for that, make a sleeping line. Make two sleeping line. Make two sleeping line. Make another sleeping line. Okay? Now join it with the standing strokes. Standing strokes. And standing strokes. Got it? This is how we are going to write letter I. Understood? This is how we are going to write letter I. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Very good. Done, children? Shall we move ahead? Everybody, please show me your thumbs up if you are done with this. Can we move ahead? Okay, Svichu. So come on now, let's move ahead. I hope everybody is doing it along with me. So I think we should move ahead. So over here, we are going to write letter L. Make a standing stroke, sleeping stroke. Again, make a standing and a sleeping stroke like this. Come on. Let's do it. I want you all to write letter L. This is how we are going to write letter L. And for letter E, make a standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. And make a standing and sleeping stroke. Like this. Come on. I want everybody to do it nicely. Very good, everybody. Wonderful. You all are doing an amazing job. Wow, Firdos, lovely becha. It's looking very cute. So children, we have written the word smile. And over here, we will write please. Okay, smile please. So what are we going to do? Just make a standing stroke, a sleeping stroke, go up and take a turn. We will write the letter please, the word please, P-L-Z. We will write please. Okay? Come on, let's do it. Very good, bacha. Wonderful. After that, you can write L also. We are going to make a letter L. This is also L. This is also L. So we will write the letter L. Okay? Come on. Let's write the letter L. Done? And after this L, write the last letter, that is letter Z. write the last letter, that is letter Z. Okay, got it? And over here we are going to make exclamatory mark. Children, this is an exclamatory mark, okay? Like question mark, this is an exclamatory mark. So now take your pen, sketch pen, trace the letters with a sketch pen. We are going to trace the letter with a sketch pen. Means कोमल मैम is saying कि हम है ना जो भी letters है उसको sketch pen से border देंगे. Come on everybody, give the outline with the sketch pen. Are you all doing it? Give a border with a sketch pen. Very good. So once it is done, we will move ahead and we will color the letters. Children, each and every letter you can color it with your favorite colors. Okay. But I am going to do it with the theme of a Mickey Mouse. So I am going to use red and black color only. Okay. So come on. I'll make this letter M red in color. You can use your sketch pen, you can use your brush pen, you can use your crayons, anything. Okay? Komal ma'am has colored M with red color. Then I am going to leave one letter and then I am going to color the letter L. Okay? Again I am going to color this letter P and I am going to color letter Z like this. Got it? Children, you can color it with your favorite colors, okay? And the remaining colors I am going to keep it black. I'll tell you why I am coloring with black. Because I am coloring as per the Mickey Mouse theme. So we will color the letters black. Come on. Just color this black. Like this. Over here also, I'm going to color it with black color. Children, you can use sketch pen, you can use brush pens, whatever is available with you. Just color it nicely. Okay? And over here, we are going to make exclamatory mark. Over here also, we are going to make letter E like this. Okay? Come on everybody, take your time. I'm going to wait for you. Do it nicely. Come on. I know you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to wait for you. Do it nicely. Very good, everybody. Wonderful. Come on, let's do it. We have written smile, please. Very good, bacha. Now, if you have white color or something, you can make polka dots. Okay? See. I am going to make few pattern. We can make polka dots. Okay. Let's make polka dots like this. Okay. You can create any pattern, children. It's up to us. Make it look beautiful however you want. Just color it nicely. Make it look beautiful. You can create any pattern inside this fonts which we have created. Got it? Create beautiful fonts. Very good, everybody. You all are doing amazing job. Fantastic. Okay. And over here, I am going to use red color to create the polka dots effect. Okay. I am just going to do it nicely like this. Over here also, I'm going to use black color. You can use any color, children. It's up to you. But make it look beautiful, okay? I'm just going to use black color. And I'm going to create polka dots. Understood? So this is how it's going to look like. Fantastic, everybody. Good job. All my children are really super smart. Huh, bachas? Everybody is doing amazing job. Now what we can do is, we can take a red color and try to make a border. Come on. We can just make a border like this. 2 standing strokes, 2 sleeping strokes. Okay? Like this. Got it? And we are also going to make a dotted line. Children, this is a decoration which we are doing it for our calligraphy note. It is up to us. However we want to decorate, we can decorate it. Okay? Come on. Just make a dotted line and complete the poster. Good morning, Ahil. I hope you have joined it late. So, bachas, in today's class, we have learned a Mickey Mouse calligraphy and we have created this beautiful picture. Isn't it? Yes. And if you wish, you can just color the background also. I'm going to color it with the soft oil pastel. I'm going to color it lightly. Just color the background lightly, okay? Come on. Color it nicely. Beautiful, bacha, beautiful. Color it nicely and create a beautiful background. Very good, children, very good. And I am back again. So, my dear children, next Sunday, do join me for learning marathon. Bye, Siju. Komal ma'am loves you a lot. Bye-bye. And please share